Utah courts took a historic giant step towards transparency 2 years ago when cameras were allowed in courtrooms, giving the public a window into the work being done by the judiciary. Then a leap backwards a year later when family law cases were summarily closed to the new rule, leaving the public in the dark. The judiciary is again looking to change the rule to make all proceedings open and is accepting comments. Family law and domestic cases are the most likely for the public to have experience with, and cutting those hearings off from the public is a disservice to a concerned citizenry and is a defeat to transparency, access, and accountability. KSL urges the Judicial Council to make the right decision and allow cameras and other electronic media in all courtrooms, granting the best access to those who may have no other way to see what is going on in the judicial system. We applaud the justices, attorneys, and other council members for drafting the rule to restore the original presumption of openness and allowing cameras into courtroom proceedings of all types. We urge them to vote in favor of transparency. KSL agrees with Judge Damon Keith when he said in Detroit Free Press versus Ashcroft,
Guys, I made a bridge.
democracy dies behind closed doors.
This has been a KSL